Hi guys, AJBMX3 here. Here is part 2 with the Bose interaudio essays 200s. This is part 2, the sound test. I just have it hooked up to a $7 little hitter amp. But $7, you can't really go wrong for an 18-watt $7 amp. Let's see. Yeah. Got it all hooked up to my speakers.
Then I'll stalk you and spawn right next to you beside your bed.
If I could only find a map to make you realize the way you go, I'll be right next to you beside your side. I'll shoot you with an arrow when your head is turned away. Then maybe you remember all the silly words I said.
Yeah, Minecraft songs, I couldn't find anything better. So what?
I've got no soul, I got no guts, I am hollow. I'll shoot you with arrows, you go trees out of my bones. Spawn you right back to the start. So sing along to my skelly heart. Oh, 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 oh. So sing along to my skelly heart.
If I was a brain-dead, slow-moving zombie, you'd kill me with your sword, unlike Gandhi. You wouldn't wait for the sun to come up, and I'd die before I could say stop. And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when I kill you with arrows happily. Appreciate every word when your friends make. You never know you could throw wheat fast for cake.
If I could only find a map to make you realize the way you go, I'll be right next to you beside your side. I'll shoot you with an arrow when your head is turned away. And maybe you remember all the silly words I said. My heart's so very cold, doesn't mean I've got no soul. I've got no guts, I am hollow. Oh, and I shoot you with arrows, you go trees out of my bones. Spawn you right back to
Okay, yeah, they do sound really good. The boxes are really thick. They're all glued shut. I'm gonna put these back together. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is part 2.